Guys, are you tired of typing text in computer? And you are feeling very bored how to type pages and pages? And I'm here to solve this problem. Okay? If you are feeling bored on typing, then you can use the voice type in Windows. How can I do that? Press Windows plus S from the keyboard. If you are using the desktop, then you must have one microphone connected. Okay, you can buy external microphone from the market. And if you are using laptop, then there is the inbuilt microphone, but that can't work properly. Okay, you need to buy an external microphone, and then after having a microphone, press Windows plus S from the keyboard. Okay, this box will pop up in Windows. You have to open one Word program here. Now press Windows plus S and click the microphone. Hello. Hello, how are you? Are you fine? Are you fine? Let's clear now all and click here. Hello. Guys, you can type like this and can make your work flow very fast. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks.